Hello student, good morning, welcome in online class. Let's start the rest topic of our chapter 1, latent heat. Definition. The heat energy which is supplied to change the physical state of the substance is called latent heat. During the change in physical state of the substance, when ice is heated to melt, the temperature of the system does not change till whole of the ice melt. Thus, latent heat is used in changing the physical state of the substance and it goes increase in the temperature of the system. The word latent means hidden. It is called latent heat because it gets hidden in the substance which undergoes physical changes. Latent heat does not show its presence by arising the temperature of the system. It is the amount of energy which is due to the supply to change the state of the substance without causing any rise in the temperature of the substance. The heat energy remains hidden in the bulk of the matter and thus it is known as the latent heat. Latent heat is of two types. Latent heat is of two types: latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. Definition. Latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kilogram of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as the latent heat of fusion. It is the amount of heat required in joule to convert 1 kilogram of solid into liquid without changing the temperature. For example, the latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram. This shows that 3.34 into 10 to the power 5 joule of heat is required to change 1 kg of ice at 0 degree centigrade into water at same temperature. Latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kilogram at its boiling point is known as latent heat of vaporization. It is the amount of energy required to joule to convert 1 kilogram of liquid into its vapor or gas without any change in its temperature. Example, latent heat of vaporization of water is 22.5 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram. This shows that 22.5 into 10 to the power 5 joule of it is required to change 1 kilogram of water of 100 degrees centigrade into steam at the same temperature. Sublimation. Definition. The process in which a solid on heating directly changes into vapor without passing through the liquid state, and on cooling the vapor directly change into solid state is called sublimation. The example is naphthalene, iodine, camphor. Substance is solid form. If we get heat, it's turned into vapor or gas, then cool, it's converted into solid. Camphor is a Hindi meaning is kapoor. Thank you student. I'll give you some practice questions. Question for practice. Solve that questions and write down answer on your notebook. What do you mean by changing of physical state? Explain with example. Explain the term boiling point, freezing point. Explain the following terms with examples: vaporization, condensation. C. Sublimation. Question number 4. What do you mean by latent heat? Explain with examples. Does the temperature of water at 100 degrees centigrade and steam is same? Thank you students. Have a great day.